Hi guys, so today I'm going to give you some information about PhiBright Microneedling training and also what comes inside the kit which you receive with your training. So basically microneedling PhiBright is the new way of doing microneedling by personalizing the treatment for each client. So inside your kit you receive all of these different serums which you have to mix it according to each skin type and condition and use it for each client. So you receive all of these serums in this pack. Also, depending on which kit you choose, you get different machines. For example, for premium kit, you receive the master machine. For standard kit, you receive the artist machine. So with microneedling PhiBright training, you receive 3 months of Craft Master, and also you receive the technician logo and certificate by Phi Academy. So the product that you receive in the kit, Phi Septo spray, which is for disinfecting the area. This is a fillings mask, which you use it after the treatment. For each client you can use one mask and it comes in a box of 10. You also receive PhiBright Accept, which is for disinfecting the area of the treatment. You receive Ultimate Skin Cocktail. You get 20 of these in your kit. Also you receive the scar needling serums. For example, you can use it for scars on the body parts for microneedling. You also get body needling in the kit, which you can, for example, use it for stretch marks. Also, you get hair serums, which is for scalp. You get 5 of these in your kit. So depend on the kit that you choose. You also receive the cartridges to basically use it for the treatment. So after the treatment, you have to give your clients aftercare products. So you give them one bag including all of these products, which one of them is inject rollers, which you have to make sure to give it to them so they can use it to apply the serums and the cocktails after the treatment. So these are the cocktails which is already made, and you give one of each to your clients for using it seven days after the treatment. So basically these are products which you receive it in your kit to give it to your client also for aftercare. So if you're interested to register for PhiBright Microneedling trainings, you can message me or you can send me an email, info@mastershayli.ca, or you can visit my website mastershayli.ca for more info. Thank you.